I'm Clovie, and today with Nuvojoy, I'm going to show you how you can have your kueh and eat it. Kueh lapis is a popular Southeast Asian dessert with Nuvojoy's pre-mix. You can make this easily at home, but healthier and low GI. There are just 4 simple steps. Mix 120 grams of fresh coconut milk and 100 grams of water together. Slowly add in Nuvojoy's pre-mix into this mixture, and then whisk it until a smooth mixture is formed. Next, pour the mixture into 3 separate bowls and add in Nuvojoy's healthy colouring powder of your choice. Last but not least, pour about half of the mixture into the container and steam it for 5 minutes. Repeat the same procedure for subsequent layers, and for the final layer, steam it for 7 minutes. And there you have it, kueh lapis! If you do like this recipe from Nuvojoy, they have a wide array of different premixes. Eat smart for good health with Nuvojoy today.